Hey y'all, welcome back. Well, I bought a tractor. It's a 1947 2N. I thought it was a 9N, but after looking up the serial numbers and everything, it's actually a 47, which is the end of the 2N, first of the 8N. But we're going to be doing some work on it and get it running right and change the exhaust, and it's got a bad manifold leak. But hopefully this will help with the food plots and stuff. The Swisher 44 Rough Cut does good on the trails and stuff, but we really need to cover more ground in bush hogging. So we'll get to it and do a look around on this thing. All right, here it is. I've done changed had to cut this bracket off. These brackets were completely rusty, look like they've never been off. The exhaust pipe was eat plumb up. I mean, completely gone. But that didn't quite fix the pecking noise, so we're gonna have to tire into this engine here, or tire in to take the manifold off and see if we can get it stopped, but get it quieter. But this old tractor's, it still runs good tires. Got a little 4 foot behind it, 4 foot bush hog, hopefully go to a 5 foot. But we're gonna do a little fixing up on it. It's just a walk around. Done did a little bit of cleaning up the motor just to see what the VIN number was stamped. If anybody needs to know, on their tractor, the VIN number is on this plate, right behind the filter. You just scrape that off and it'll give you your dates. There's also another one for the casting for the housing, rear end housing, which is on each tube. That does not mean that it was to this number, but it was built at a different month than the tractor was. But it's gonna be our deer lease tractor. So we'll be doing some videos as we fix this thing up. Thanks for watching.